Okay, so can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So first of all, okay, let's go with week 4. Okay. So I have already published your week 4, so you can check this one now. Okay, let me just refresh the page. All right, so there you go. So as usual, we have one module for that one, which is the module 4 logic puzzle. And then you will see here the pre-made video, okay, which is this one, so module 4 logic puzzle. So this is just a short video. So I think it's just, yeah, 4 to 6 minutes only. So you guys can finish this one real quick. So you can skip some of it if you already know them. And if you need more information, then probably you can visit these two websites right here. Okay, so you can watch those videos if this discussion is not enough for you. Okay, and then as always, I'll put here the recorded Zoom meeting, okay, later on after our meeting. So what else? So as usual, you have 3 practice exercises, or yeah, 2 or more practice exercises, but here we only have 3. So make sure to visit them. And we have 2 quizzes. Okay, so 2 quizzes only. So we have quiz on logic puzzle and then a quiz on excursion can puzzle. Okay, and then 1 case study. So the due dates of those activities will be on November 19. So you guys have exactly 1 week to finish those 3 activities. Okay, so are we clear so far regarding with your week 4?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so super real quick week 4. So sobrang bilis lang na ito. That is why, okay. So instead of having like for example, we will meet next week, okay, after one free meeting. Okay, supposedly that's the case. But since week 4 is just a short module, so we will meet, okay, next week, Tuesday. Okay, and then we'll talk about week 5. Okay. So there is also a reason behind that and why we are rushing our modules instead of having a exactly 1 week each module. Okay, so we will have 3 days only. Okay, each module so that you guys can prepare and then finish all of the given activities. Okay. Anyway, let's go with the top 10 highest score in midterm exam. So here are the top 10 scorer. So starting from number 1, we have Miss Milongo, April Eliza. So she got a score of 95 out of 100. So congratulations. So very good. Well done. And then we have second, okay, which is Mr. Suyam Kyle Lawrence. So we've got a score of 80 out of 100. So there's actually 480 scorer. So we have Mr. Padaxil JV, we have Mr. Capis Derek Tim, and then we have Mr. Capital Mark Junel. Okay, so those 4 got a score of 80 out of 100. And then we have 3 score of 75, which is Mr. Makasad 2, Steve Daniel, Mr. Ferrer, Carlos Jan, and is this Mr. Basang Kirby? Yeah, maybe. And we have 2 score for 70. So top 9, top 10 is Mr. Wallace Dakyong Gabriel, and then Miss Kilio Miles. Okay,
Mister, sir.
Mr. So overall, there's only one woman, okay, which is your top 1. Okay, and then the rest are males. Okay, so tinalo kayo ng isang babae. Paano ba yan? Anyway, so any violent reaction so far? Or any, like, they call this one? Parang disapproval. Yeah. So anyone who disapproves with this top 10, maybe you've got a score of 85, but your name is not in here. Okay, something like that. So I just simply sort your grade from highest to lowest. Well, the grade of the score only in midterm exam. This is not the totality of your grade. Okay, so I haven't computed your midterm grade yet. So this is just for your midterm exam. Okay, so this one doesn't dictate the top 10 of the class. So any question or clarification so far?
None, sir.
None, sir.
Okay, great. So next thing that I would like you guys to know is the final exam date. So uh, I, I would say that the time in finals is faster than the time given to midterms, since the final exam is already on November 26th and today is already November 12th. So we now only have less than, well, it's not actually less than 3 weeks. It's not, only have exactly 2 weeks. Okay, 7/14 plus 12 is 26. So we only have exactly 2 weeks for the three modules, which is the week 4, week 5, and week 6. So that is why we have to fasten up our publishing of the modules. Okay, so that is why I will not publish the module 5 next meeting. Okay, and then on Friday next week, which will be on November 19. Yeah. So I will also publish the week 6 on November 19. So don't you guys worry. So even though only have like 3 days each a week, they are easy to answer, or they're easy to understand. They're actually a lot easier to understand than the midterm topics. So we only have 3 activities for the week 4. But in here, it's still quite a lot, but they are a lot easier than your midterm topics. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 activities for the week 5. But for the week 6, there's now only one. Okay, there's now only one quiz and then one case study. Okay, and then after that will be your final exam. Okay, which will be on November 26. All right. So are we clear so far regarding with our schedule?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So we've actually consumed one of our meeting. Okay. So which was this week Tuesday. So I gave that one as a time for those who wasn't able to take their midterm exam. So that is why we are now in a rush. Okay. So we're quite rushing with our schedule. Anyway, that is my only concern for this final. So exactly 2 weeks only. Okay. So not less than 3 weeks, but exactly 2 weeks only. Anyway, so that's it only on my side. So we've only discussed things for 14 minutes. No, 9 minutes. Okay, since we've exactly started at 8:05. Okay, so I guess that's it. If you guys don't have any question or clarifications anymore, then you guys may go now. So happy breakfast and stay safe as always.
Hey, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you too. Okay.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you too.